Living on the streets, the threat of COVID was all around for people like Robert Hoover.
Call me Bob.
He and his wife Sandy had been sleeping in their car.
About 5 years, off and on. The wife and I are survivors, for one thing, and we just made it work. Didn't like it? No.
5 years, and with serious health problems.
Because I've seen her have some very bad seizures, and it's not nice. She's had some in the car, and it just scares me to death.
But now they're here, living in a different kind of shelter.
This is Bob and Sandy's room here.
Run and kept safe by the United Way of Weld County and its Director of Community Impact, Melanie Woolman.
Yes, so much cleaning.
Woolman wanted to create a place for people experiencing homelessness who are also at high risk from COVID-19 due to age or health conditions.
We are under the assumption that these are folks that if they were to contract COVID would have a severe case.
She wanted a place where people can live in their own rooms, unlike the typical shelter.
Rather than in one large room, all sleeping together, which allows for more community spread.
The city of Greeley found this empty apartment building on the senior living campus of the Bonnell community run by the Good Samaritan Society, who agreed to turn this into a temporary cold weather shelter where residents can live separately, safe from COVID.
This was a godsend. There are many communities around the country that are struggling to find a location just like this one.
I think this is wonderful, and really I think there ought to be more places like this.
A place to keep the Hoovers and others at serious risk from COVID from living on the street.
We can help save lives. We truly believe that that's what we are doing here.
We just feel good about it, very good about it.
In Greeley, Nelson Garcia, 9 News.
So the shelter has 31 rooms. It can house around 40 people, but it's only temporary through April 15th. Woolman says the goal is to find a long-term housing option for everyone at the shelter now.